Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka National Commission for Women, ringkat ka Kynthei lang, bat ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women, kalapalong ya ka Ïathir ka Bashisngi, halor ka Pynkupbor shusho iki Kynthei, hakani ka Thaiñ Shatei Lammihngi. Hakani ka Ïathir ka Bashisngi ka balapalong ha North Eastern Council Shillong, lawan simenta da ka chairperson jong ka National Commission for Women, ka Rekha Sharma, kan thopru ya ki chairperson bat ki khot jong ki State Commission ba per jong ki jala ka Thaiñ Shatei Lammihngi, bat ki samla pule Kynthei na ki college ba per kanong ba Shillong. Hakani kasngi sangot ki Kynthei ki balasa Pynkupboram da ki kusnam, halor ka jingjab jong ki hakaliang ka sengkam sengjam. Kila ajing keren kum kijing ay museum ya kinong simenta hakani kalampong Ïathir ka Bashisngi. Kini kisangot ki Kynthei ki kinthop ya ka Tanushri Hazarika, ka Lina Saikia, ka Lakshmi Barwa, ka kong Janice Celine Pongrop, bat ka kong Quincy Thank you. Lapdang subhay kinong simenta da ikong Thailand Panbo ibalong ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women.
Be very careful that in the next 4 to 5 years, the word weaving might even be removed from the dictionary, which Daniel and I are pursuing till date, that we make sure that it is retained, it is maintained, and it is taken further. So when you have a passion for something, we have a passion for many things. I have a passion for eating spicy food, I have a passion for sweet things, those kind of things, see. But your passion should also come along with the fact that this passion that you have is going to help a larger community, is going to help a larger number of people, and help also in terms of economically help them. Alright, we have the social aspect of help and we have the economic aspect of help. So you have to be very careful about this passion that you are pursuing, that it is helping you socially, it is helping society, but it is also helping economically. You definitely, because you are investing in it, but also the beneficiaries, because they need to also profit and they need to benefit from your venture, because you are working with them. Alright? Over the years, I have learned that, to be an entrepreneur, there are just 3 things that, for me personally, it might be more than 3 things, less, it could be different, but I just want to share with you that we have the 3 Fs that I have worked all this while to take up my entrepreneurship skills. Can anybody kind of give me the 3 Fs? Anyone? Anything? I'm sure we're not new. I mean, these Fs are very much in our everyday life. Alright? Okay? So anyway, for me, it has always been family, friends, and foods. Okay? Now you might wonder why. Who are these foods? You know who's your family. If they don't support your venture, they're your biggest support system. It's the family. You and I will always be our mother and father's children. You will never outgrow your parents. Please understand that. So with due respect to them, any venture that you wish to undertake, please discuss it with the family. It's very important. It could be the wildest of ventures, it could be anything, but your first point of contact for an entrepreneurship kind of an activity should be with your family. Alright? Because from them, you will gain a lot of confidence, you will gain a lot of knowledge, and you will be shown some direction, if not all the direction. Okay? Friends. And when I say friends, I don't mean the ones that squeeze out of you every time. Alright? These are the friends who will support your business emotionally, alright? And financially also. When you need a loan, a soft loan, banks, I'm sorry to say, but they're not really helpful. The documentation in the banks is so much that I can open a library of documentation and still not get the loan. Alright? So, family and friends can support you financially, emotionally. It's very, very much important for an entrepreneur. Okay? And these friends are the ones who will advertise your work. And if they really are your friends, they will buy your products. Okay? Please understand, it's an economic venture. So friends will buy your products. They won't say, hey, come on, yeah, just give me 1-2 pieces, I'm your friend. Huh? If you have such kind of friends, you know what to do next. Kick them out. Okay? Because friends understand your struggle, they know what you're trying to do, they will be your first customers. Alright? And when I say fools, it's a funny word, but these are what we call angel investors. All right, they are people, as few of our previous speakers have mentioned, when they need the seed capital or they go to investors. I call them fools in a very nice way. Okay, so I hope my investors are not taking, not misunderstanding what I'm saying. But I'm saying that they're fools because they believe in my idea, they believe in my venture, and they are investing in it. There are some fools who are very quiet. I just say, I need cash. They're like, how much? Okay, yeah, take. They don't ask you 10,000 questions. All right? I love those kind of fools. Okay? And there are certain fools who will ask you for a balance sheet and, your work so far till date, how many numbers of people employed, blah, blah, blah. Which I should be giving it to them because I said it's their money. I'm going to use their money. They also need to know where I'm putting it. Okay? But these angel investors are very much required because I told you from my personal experience, banks have not been helpful. So you need family, friends and fools in any of your entrepreneurship works, but please have a passion for it.
Why not women start their own entrepreneurship here only and engage other women in that work so that they don't need to go out and search work. And your own family members are involved in luring women and taking them out. So if they are empowered, they are educated. Women from Northeast are educated. But the lack of jobs, and now everybody wants to earn something. They tell them that they are being given job in the restaurant or in a beauty parlor, but then they are trafficked somewhere else. So first of all, I would like to say that there should be a registration of every woman who is going out and for the job, but you can't control that they should not go. This is India and anybody can go anywhere for the job. But government should register every person who is going for the job and where they are going. They should have the employer's address, number, everything should be registered so that it is easier to find out where they are and if they are safe or not.